Alan Scholz, co-founder of Bike Friday, and one of the reasons why we're all here, and these wonderful quotes, as you can see, Alan, that these customers send us. Is that right?
This is one of my favorites here. Today I rode my pocket rocket for the first time. I'm very happy that it turned out like in my dreams.
Wow.
That's exactly what we like to do.
From South Africa too.
From South Africa, yes.
Yes,
I mean, this is just some samples, but we really enjoy customers riding their bicycles and having it turn out like in their dreams.
Right. Well, we hope you're enjoying riding with Alan here on Cycle Oregon, because he's.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah. Okay, go.
You'll see me streaking down the road.
That's right. And he'll be in different clothes from what you see here, so we hope you can recognize him.
Oh, maybe.
Thanks, Alan.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4.